In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the super admin in Zoho CRM. Changing the super admin is an important action because this person has full control over your CRM account, billing, and key settings. You'll typically do this when responsibility is moving from one person to another, for example, when someone changes roles or leaves the company. So let's walk through the process carefully, step by step. First, you need to log into Zoho CRM as the current super administrator. This is crucial because only the existing super admin has permission to hand over that role to someone else. If you're not sure who the current super admin is, you may need to check internally with your team first and make sure you have that account's login details and access. Once you're signed in as the super admin, look to the top right corner of your Zoho CRM screen. You'll see the setup icon, which looks like a wrench and screwdriver. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you into the main settings area of Zoho CRM, where you can manage everything from users and security to company information. Inside the setup section, we want to navigate to your organization's core details. Find and click on General, and then select Company Settings, which may also appear as company details depending on your layout. This area controls fundamental information about your organization inside Zoho CRM, including who the super admin is. On the Company Settings page, look for your company name or company details. Next to it, you should see an edit icon, usually represented by a pencil. Click that edit icon to open up the fields you can modify. Now scroll down through the company details until you find the field labeled Super Admin. This is where you'll choose the new person who will take over that role. Open the drop-down menu and select the user you want to promote to Super Admin. There's one very important requirement here. The person you're assigning must already have an admin profile in Zoho CRM. If they only have a custom role or a standard user role, they won't appear as an eligible option. So before you do this, double-check that their profile is set to admin in your user management settings. Once you've selected the new super admin from the drop-down, you're ready to finalize the change. Scroll down if needed and click Save to confirm. Zoho CRM will now update the account, and the new person will become the super administrator for your organization.